Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Kynhun na Ladakh Union Territories, balayalam daw MLA Barem, sharing sampel, bat kentup ruyo Presiden ka Christian Association Le, Moravian Church, Reverend Dechen Champa, ka editor jong ka Reach Ladakh, ka Miss Rinchen Angmo, bat ka environmental lawyer ka Desket Angmo. Hakan reuter unai luar arajar khat kendai, ki laya kenduk kerpang ya ucarman, jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba pencingan NCM ban Twad Jingmut. Hakabai day, bat ka Jingmyntoi ya ka 6 schedule, jong ka riti sencar ka ri India hapo ka jela Meghalaya. Haka jingilang ka long hakamra jong chairman ka KHADC lai don lang ru executive member ka KHADC uba polling do. Uba pencingan hawe keren baka Batisi TV ulai thu ba kani Kynhun balai lam do sharing sampel kalapin pa bagi pat ba ka Ladakh. Ki kemen hadu kata ta ya ka jing Union Territory da ka sarkar India Henry minta ki don pat ka jing sngo atatien ya ka jing tmu jong sarkar India ban the ki song jing ram ban kentiu ki kam jong kai perthai hapo ka than Ladakh bat de Halor kani kanong rem ba ki wan banyo kjat ha ka jela Meghalaya ban ti penya Halor ka 6 schedule ka bolong ka stay ka bayadai ka khando ka syam ka riti ka dustor bat ka snap jinglong kerpang jong kinong snong ka jela Meghalaya.
Kini kami hadirin ke rai ke Padang Shen juga Union Government ban declare ya ke jing pihak ya ke Jala Jammu and Kashmir ha ke bakal Ladakh kan long ke Union Territory. Te kini ki traishnong ki wede ki riulum ki don menta apreng ke jing kulmar Jingmut la kin lek ban kentup iladi apa ke 5th schedule dan ke 6th schedule dan ke we pada ka provision jong ka constitution jong ka di India ti ngilayo ka jing selok ka jing Jingmut ka ba slam bat ka ba ai Jingmyntoi ba bat bun ki benta ki bede bat ka schedule ngila pensothu aki bat ki la ai ru ka invitation ngi bangin manjungo eki kum ki para riulum ki badan hapreng jong ka jingma ka kendo ka siap ka jungki ka jinglong trairi ka jungki lada kimyo ya ki jingeda bat ki an ki ba scam ki ba klan ki ban long jingeda eki kum ki trairi ta mulo menta ka long kum ka study tour na menta ka jungki te pat kila yo shibun ki semua perkat na ka ni kendo bat ni.
We are from Ladakh, a study group coming from Ladakh. All of you know that we have been in Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh has been made a union territory very recently. So we are on a study tour here to find out how the district councils are functioning here, what are the benefits, what are the safeguards under this 6th schedule. We are very pleased to meet very important personalities here, officials here, the Khasi Hill Autonomous Hill Council authorities here, the chief executive member here. They are very liberal to advise us how to shape our future of Ladakh under Union Territory, because we want to put our demands before the government of India that we should also be put under the 6th schedule of Constitution of India to protect our peculiar ethnical identity, our language, our cultural heritage. So we are living in a very different landscape in India. We are different to other parts of the India. So we are very happy that the government of India has come forward for our protection. Side by side, the people of Ladakh want safeguard their protection, their preservation of their valued cultural heritage. So we have come here to learn something from the people of Meghalaya. From the people of Meghalaya, we want to take along us the benefits of 6th schedule, the autonomous councils merits and demerits and their experience, the experience of the people of Meghalaya for a long time. We are very grateful to them that we will be taking along very big things to our people, and we will be putting our aspirations, our demands, our sentiments before the government of India, and we again extend our thanks to the people of Meghalaya.
Hakajing ya keren badki na kalian jongki hoi ki ong ba hakapas dang ngila kemen sibun ba ngila yo la ka jongka Union Territories tenrei mentah ki long confuse kendiat kajing confuse jongki ka long ba kajing mut jongka sokai India ban invest maximum haka tourism hapo ka ki Ladakh area ka penlong ini beginting namar pisu tu population batang arlak tam lailak duna tilada maximum investment haka tourism ban maximum kinwan ban shong tei kamlong sif yaki bar kila bandu ya ka kila banja ka identity te mentang ki haji kenduk bar ki ong ba mentang is sang confuse ye holong artatin no nama kaji septing namar bakadai ka Union Territories let's say maximum na kiwei ki state na kiwei ki jila kinwan ban shong tei kan long kajing du nong yaki haji de ka culture ka custom haji de ka identity ka jongki te kaji kenduk jongi mentang ki long impress ya ka stick shidil ke bahab ka article 244 clause 2 tengah syuakan batki lalong very interesting namar bang laong yaki balada kiyo iya ka article 244 clause 2 kan yang arab sibun yaki banyada ya ka jinglong kerpang jongki bana kalian jongki ki kamlong consent way identity are land lai kadeka minerals te ngala syong yaki ba kidon kam ban nang pen khlain shu ya kan ka sikdil ke bamenta kenang ba kinyo ya ka ban sna ki ain ke ba khlain na ka benta jongki but ki kham sutunat namar bana kalang jongi nga sutu kan ka sikdil ke bamenta le singin don kam ban pen khlain shu ya ka tegin ajing mut ya ki bagian pen khlain haji de kalan ka di bandrung ka tin transfer nang ta haji de minerals ka di bandrung ka tin mining haji de identity di ban pen khlain ya ka bill admission bill act te kira long very interesting te kajing kan jongki ki ong ba ladang idon kam ye pi kum ki export ban wan shaladak na ka benta ban ai ka brief ban ai ka jimpen shai te kan ong ki bagi long welcome ban ka kajing angut jongki ru kalong ba Ladakh yo ka district council ikwa bandon lang ka ju ka forum jongki district council kenang ba United League in protect ye ka interest jongki tribal ka di Ladakh long confuse na mar ba ka Union Territories apakah dia ke Union Territories kemud kasyong direct haka central teki mlong safekin teki kwa bandon ya ka sik shidil kenang bakin shna ki ain banyada yaladi